All right, we're going to look at the product power rule here. And this is a combination of two things going on. That's why it gets this title, product power rule. What we're saying is that we have two variables multiplied by each other. A times B, we're taking them all to the same power. This is the same as writing A times A n times B times B n times. All right, you start out going A times B times A times B, and you repeat this. You repeat this n times. When you do all that, your commutative rule can let you organize it like it is up here. A times A n times and A times and B times B n times. So what that does is it gives you A to the nth, B to the nth. So when we have a series of products all taken to another power, the product rule happens for each product in there. So that's saying a lot, so let's look at this in an example. So I'll say x cubed y to the fourth. We're going to square that. So that's the same as saying x cubed y to the fourth times x cubed y to the fourth. We rearrange this. Let me move it up to the top of the screen here. We'll rearrange this. And we get x to the sixth, y to the eighth. Well, that's nice if you have something that's only 2 squared. But our rule helps us when we'll take x to the fifth, y to the second, we'll take it to the fourth power. I don't write it out to the fourth power, it's going to fill my whole screen. So that's the same as x to the 4 times 5 times y to the 4 times 2. That equals x to the 20th, y to the 8th. And so that's how our product power rule works. We have a series of products inside the parentheses, whatever the power to gets applied to them. Draw a line across here, drag this up a bit. Special thing happens when we have coefficients. So if I have 2 m to the n all to the sixth, well, 2 is a product, so I can take 2 to the sixth. M is one of the products, so I can take m to the sixth. And I can take n to the sixth. But 2 to the sixth is a number. And so we can actually get an answer to spill out of our calculator for the coefficient part of it. So one of the things to watch is when you get numbers in these powers to parentheses, this number should come out as a larger coefficient. The variables get attached to the power, but don't forget your coefficients out front and to take 2 to the sixth. Notice how everything that's listed in here, the 2, the m, and the n, all get raised to the sixth power. And the same thing will happen with divisions. And this is called our quotient rule. And we'll look at the quotient power rule in the next video.